Hello guys, I'm Elliot from Te Pari, UK. I'm in New Zealand just now. Come with me for a factory tour. So guys, Australian steel comes in straight away, stacked and racked, ready for our state-of-the-art tube laser. This is one of the best ones in the world. From here, they then put them onto something called a water spider, so that the guys have got all the bits they need to make even this HD3 here. This is how it starts, Cammy, from a HD3. This is how its life started, all the way through to our main factory floor. So the whole system in this business flows from start to finish. So literally in one door and out the other. So from the back of the workshop, we're now heading through. Unfortunately, I can't take you in there. That's where all the secrets are, but come with me to the rest of the shop floor. So from there, past the secret section, we've got all our automated cutting machines here, leading through to all of our welding and fabrication. So some of you might see our cattle yards in there. From there, we've got some of the best welders in the world, and we've got 12 welding robots. Okay, so we're just gonna head off down this way, guys, past a few of the welding bays. We're gonna take you to our state-of-the-art laser cutting machine, which is in operation here. Now we've hit the Racewell department, so this is where the assembly will happen, with Mark and his team, and I'll just take you to the start of a life of what a Racewell would look like. From there, we'll manufacture and assemble from our water spiders, which help our guys be more efficient, so they're not wandering around looking for parts. From there, you then get the finished article. This one's currently going through testing before final inspection. For all of you that purchase vet markers, they're all here. Say hi guys, hi to the world, what's happening? So our crush department is opposite the Racewell. As you can see here, we've got a state-of-the-art Taurus going through final checks and commissioning, and before it heads out to the field later this month. In particular, this is actually one of our top of the range ones for a very special customer. As you can see, this is where the dispatch area is, and all the crushes and Racewells are ready to go literally around the world. So as you can see guys, I thought whilst I was over here, you guys would find the factory tour informative. I hope you have. If you have any Te Pari requirements, give myself and the team a call. We'll be delighted to look after you.